So, as y'all read that, I know y'all read that title, so that's why y'all clicked on this video, right? Right. So, if y'all read the title, y'all know that I found some baby birds. Yes, that is right. You read that title right. You heard me right. I found some baby birds. Now, these are the cutest little things ever. So, yeah. I actually been found these baby birds, and I've been taking care of them. Like, I've been feeding them worms and giving them water and stuff. So, yeah. Let me just show y'all these baby birds and stop talking. So, y'all, here are the baby birds. Look at them. So cute. They're sleeping right now. Drop that. They're sleeping. I'm actually dirty. Touch it. Yeah. I expected it to wake up. So, yes, those are the baby birds. I put them on the floor. I put some grass on it. And I put this little cloth on top of it. I actually fed them some worms. I feed them worms every day. Because we got live worms in our refrigerator to go fishing with. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. Here are the baby birds. Closer look. Here are the baby birds in their nest. I made them. They're so snuggy. Okay, so now we gotta find a place in the tree for it. My bad, I'm just trying to make it better. Alright, let's go put it in the tree. Alright, y'all, so here is where I'm going to put the baby birds. I'm going to put them right there in that tree because that's where I found them at. So I'm going to put these baby birds in the tree. Okay. I don't know where to put them. Ow! I don't know where to put them, y'all. Maybe half in the tree. I think they're like. Not in the tree is where they'll be. Ow, these birds are so pretty. Yo, this box is too big. Maybe because these flaps, yeah, I don't know. It's maybe because these flaps, I could easily just rip them off though. I think it's because of the flap that it can't fit. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna pick those up. Okay. I have to figure out where to put them. I have to put them. No. Okay, y'all. So let me show y'all where I made birds. So I'll put them right here in this box up in the tree, and when the tree shakes, it's not gonna fall. Hopefully I'll put it in the right spot. Right there. So yeah, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that is all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a big giant thumb, like it up, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. I love y'all.